Shut your eyes. Now when you open them, look straight.
Sean, what are you doing? Sean, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Did you say what?
What?
All had wet dreams last night. Yeah.
About Alyssa. About Alyssa. Sean.
What?
Poke her. Sneeze then. Alyssa, sneeze.
I need light.
Right there.
She needs light to sneeze.
Yes, I do.
I sneeze myself.
Light makes you sneeze.
Camera. No, it doesn't.
I see my. I see myself in that.
Hey guys, light, camera, action.
What?
Weed?
Weed.
That's from Faith.
Alright, camera.
No. Yeah. Look her weenus. Weenus. Oh my god. Weenus. Hey, why are you pointing at me? I poke your poke back. Sean called you a weenus. Poke your poke.
No.
Guys, you're really hard.
So hard.
That's what she said.
Do that.
How do you poke the poke? Alyssa, poke my poke.
Way. It's a poke.
Oh, yes. Oh, I'm your screw.
Oh, it's a 5-way. It's a 5-way.
This bus driver likes
That's what he looks like in math.
He doesn't
In
like
math? No, he sits like this in math.
This bus driver hates us.
Who does?
You do. And yeah.
No, he makes fun of me for having a weird stare because I always do this.
What, Nikki?
Like,
No, I space out. I hate math. And then